This is a voice calling system. This is the host display. These are the extensions. Power on the host. Hold on the two buttons together. The red light is for power off. Hold on again to power on. It can do voice call one by one.
Hello, hello.
Hold on to speak. If short, press the button only for calling. Here we can play the history records. And we can select an extension. Hold on to speak.
Hello, yes please. Hello, yes please.
We can also press this button to play last voice.
All the people come to my office, please. All the people come to my office, please.
Here is the broadcast. It can send all the extensions.
Hello, all the people come to my office, please. Hello, all the people come to my office, please.
It's widely used in restaurant, office, hospital, and so on.